This video is in the space available for possible remediation content. Instead of jumping right to the actual remediation for this problem, I'm going to use the time to discuss possibilities. I believe the use of video and audio will be a powerful tool available to us. We could have simply provided a text-based remediation where we would expect the learner to read and interpret the info provided. With video and audio based remediation, we will be able to provide powerful real-time demonstrations. And if it was deemed necessary, a video camera can be used to record actual persons as well. This is where classroom teacher comes in. I am not a teacher, so I might not be familiar with the terminologies used in lessons or lessons that were used to prepare the learner for these exams. My suggestions, however, are that we include consideration or considerations, that is, telling the learner what he or she should have considered in order to solve the problem on hand. Steps and procedure, kind of self-explanatory. What steps or procedures need to be followed to solve this particular problem. And tips and tricks. Tips and tricks can be tips and tricks as it relates to the problem on hand, or tips and tricks as it relates to test taking overall. For this particular problem and to demonstrate our on-screen capabilities, I am going to solve the problem or attempt what should have been done. Well, in regards to consideration, it's an addition problem and the numbers are of different value. Solving it is easier done by rewriting the problem in a vertical manner. So 12.6 plus 3, of course we could tell of the importance of lining up the digits according to their value, plus 0.09, and of course adding placeholders in the case of 3 and even 12.6, a 0 could be added there just to make it more uniform, and of course calculate at normal. Once again, I'm not the classroom teacher, so a teacher probably would have had a lot more information to provide at this stage. And of course the addition can be done in real time. 9 plus 0, 9, 0 plus 6, 6, 3 plus 2, 5. So the actual answer should have been 15.69. And this is the real-time demonstration that I referred to earlier. And of course we can do any amount of thing. If there was an error per se with anything, those could have been corrected in real time, so this learner could see exactly what needs to be done or how it should be done. We are by no means limited by the space you're looking on screen. We could roll this problem out, if you may, and we have a brand new sheet in which to do any additional problem or provide any additional solutions. We could also use it to give an example, say 3 plus 0.14 plus 1.35. We could then ask the learner to pause the video at this point in time and return to see the solution and to see if they are now a little bit more comfortable with solving problem of this nature. Thank you for your time, and I hope I was clear enough. And one other thing before I go, I hope that this also demonstrates what are some of our options when we get to the stage of providing actual lessons and demonstrations that need to happen in an actual lesson. Thanks again.